Yeah, so here we're walking into the Revolution powered trailer that we have.
Okay,
as well.
Over here, I guess?
Yeah, sure thing.
All right, cool. This is nice. I like this.
Yes, so this is kind of what Toro's talking about when we really need to do portable charging or charging on the go.
Okay.
So with that, we're going to have different electrical systems here that bring in that high current. We can have 120 or 240 volt charging, and then with that, then you can run a couple different outlets, so you can plug in your 6-pod charger there for the different Flex Force batteries, as well as then for our Revolution series mowers here, you can have a direct plug in there to get power on.
So this wouldn't be used, say, on the job site. You would be doing this at night. You'd be setting this up and charging this, right?
Yep. So this would be definitely, you bring the trailer in to the shop at the end of the day, you plug the whole trailer in, it charges all the equipment.
So what, let's just say these were your batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones, 2 smaller ones.
Yep.
How long does it take to charge?
Yeah, so with our 6-pod charger here, we can actually charge one of our biggest batteries in 38 minutes.
So does it go sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4, like down the row, or is it first one in? How's that work?
I'm glad you asked. So we actually have a mode selector switch on the back, on the side, where you can select between charging mode A and B. And what that does is, I believe charging mode A does all the batteries in order. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then charging mode B brings all of them up equally at the same time.
So if you needed to get them up to, say, 50, 80% or something,
yep, something like that.
Out there,
yeah, if you, for some reason, you want to prioritize getting the smaller batteries charged up quickly because you've got that lighter handheld experience that you want as opposed to the bigger ones, you can prioritize those. Or if you are just somebody who's like, hey, I just want to bring all the batteries up at the same time, just so they're all good to go in the morning, that's when we recommend being on that parallel mode.
Is there a better way to charge? Is it better to do all at once or sequentially? It doesn't matter.
I would say the difference is going to be rather minuscule, but I would say if you're looking for the absolute longest longevity out of your packs, I would do all batteries equally at the same time.
Slowly. Yep. Slow charge. I guess that makes sense. So, okay, so this is something what you do overnight. Have you guys been thinking, I'm sure you are you working on a solution to charge on the go? So do you have something to charge these batteries while you're in the field?
Yeah, so currently we do not. It is definitely a topic of conversation that we keep pushing around.
Yeah.
Because it is something we understand, like a lot of contractors are out in the field, they don't have a way to charge those batteries. So we are definitely looking into that.
Yeah, totally. But also, if you set this trailer up and you're setting this trailer up this way, you 100% could pull up to a job site. Let's say you are at a commercial campus and you're doing that and you're there for 6 hours or the day, like a college campus, and you're doing the lawn for them. Mm-hmm. You could connect this trailer to power, shoreline power, like an RV plug, 30 amp RV plug outside, and power this up. And you could charge it out in the field, but you would need power.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is there anything in this trailer? This is a cool trailer. Anything we want to talk about? You got zero turns in here. We got some mowers outside.
Yeah. So the biggest things I'll kind of talk about here is these are going to be our Revolution Z Master and our Grandstand Revolution here. So these are going to be fully electric, zero turns that we have here that are commercial grade.
When will you see these coming out?
So these are currently available as well.
They are now. Okay. Yep. So you can either stand behind it or you can sit on it, right? Is that how it works? Or?
So this is the stand-on one. This is the rider.
I got you.
Yep.
And then outside on the ramp, we had I saw 2 lawnmowers on the side. They look like they were battery operated, right?
Yes, they were. Yeah.
So lead the way.
Kind of go back down here.
I know we're getting off topic from charging, but I just wanted to look at them quickly. Kind of interesting looking.
Yeah, so here we are going to have our Revolution Series 60 volt Turf Master as well as our HD 21-inch battery mower as well.
Are they out yet or are they coming?
Yep, these are also released already.
Nice.
So,
what price ranges on these guys?
Unfortunately, I don't have that off the top of my head now.
Self-propelled? And self-propelled or pushed?
Both self-propelled.
Both self-propelled.
Yep.
What kind of runtime do you see on these guys?
I believe on the big guy here, you're looking at about 80 minutes in light conditions.
Okay.
And on this guy, I think with one battery running in there, you're getting about 45 to 50 minutes.
And this is a 30-inch cut. This is pretty good.
Yep, 30-inch cut.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, hey, Matt, thank you so much for your time, and thanks for your hospitality here at the booth. Thank you, everybody.